ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡು ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಇಸ್ 14th ಲೆಸನ್, ಹೊನ್ನೆಯ ಮರದ ನೆರಳು. ಹೊನ್ನೆಯ ಮರದ ನೆರಳು. Before starting with the poem, I request you all to take out your textbook, pencil, eraser, vary your phone and sit in a quiet place. We'll start with the poem, ಹೊನ್ನೆಯ ಮರದ ನೆರಳು. ಹೊನ್ನೆ ಮರ is a kind of a tree. Okay, so tree name is Honne Mara. The Honne Mara basically it is known for to give shade. Honne Mara the shade bandu it's a enandre it's very cool tampu. So that is Honne Mara the neralu andre shade. So idu janapad sahitya andre it's a folk song. So earlier days enagadu there were no entertainment, there were no TV, radio, mobile alla enu illa. So in those days people they used to sing song. So whatever the work they will do, they used to sing song about that work, and they used to forget their tiredness. For example, if they are cooking, they'll sing about the cooking. If they are working in the farm, they sing a song about the farm. If they are playing with the children, they sing a song about the children. So ee tara for every work they had a song. So that is the one beautiness of a Janapada Sahitya. There is one song here, Janapada Sahitya, and here all the 3 lines, and there is a tune also for this. The tune remains the same thing. I'll tell the tune at the end of the video. So illi every stanza has a one or the other meaning and one or the other topic. So we'll start with the poem, Honneya Marada Neralu. In the first one, ಮಾರುದ್ದ ಪೈರಾಗಲಿ ಮೊಳದುದ್ದ ತೆನೆಯಾಗಲಿ ಬಡವನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಿರಿ ಬರಲಿ ಭೂಮ್ತಾಯಿ ಕಂದವ್ನ ಹಸಿವು ಇಂಗೋಗ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರೈತ, ದ ಫಾರ್ಮರ್, ದ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಹಂಗರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪೈರು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ರೌಟ್. ತೆನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ರೌಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸೋ ದ ಸೀಡ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋ, and that is called as a pairu tene anta. Okay, so here they are telling marudda pairagali. Marudda is basically when you take out your hand from one tip of the finger and another tip of the finger, so that is the length. So that is a marudda. Moda andre from your elbow till your fingertip, this is called a mada. So that how big and generous the land should become. So they are giving a blessing. So agriculture chanag agbeku, the agriculture should be good, we should should be good, and it should not be affected by anything. Let it be good under their blessing. Okay, badavana manege, badava andre the poor family, let it have a siri and then let it get a wealth. Let the wealth barli to the poor family. Bhoom tayi, the mother nature, kandavna hasivu ingali andre let it enantare kammi agli, let it become less and let it take off. Let the hunger be take off by giving a food to that family anta. So that is the importance of agriculture and the hunger which is shown in the first 3 lines. ಮಾರುದ್ದ ಪೈರಾಗ್ಲಿ ಮೊಳದುದ್ದ ತೆನೆಯಾಗ್ಲಿ ಬಡವನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಿರಿ ಬರಲಿ, ಬಡವನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸಿರಿ ಬರಲಿ ಭೂಮ್ತಾಯಿ ಕಂದವ್ನ ಹಸಿವು ಇಂಗೋಗ್ಲಿ. Let it go off, let it magically vanish agbidli. Let the hunger vanish by the good wealth eno, it's not just a money, wealth of a food. Let the good food be grown in the farmland. So that is the main meaning of the first 3 lines. We'll come to the next 3 lines. ನೆಲದಾಗ ಗಿಡ ಚೆಲುವು ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಚೆಲುವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a beautiful. ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ on the ground it's a gida, the plant is a beautiful. I'm sorry for the background dog barking. ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mango tree is a good beautiful. ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಕ್ಯಾಗ ಗಿಣಿ ಚೆಲುವ, ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ bird, ಗಿಣಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the parrot is a beautiful. ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಚಿಕ್ಯಾಗ, if you see upward, if you see in the sky, ಚೆಲುವ ಚಂದ್ರಾಮ, the moon is beautiful. Basically they are describing the nature here. Okay na? So they are telling everything in the nature is so beautiful anta. ನೆಲದಾಗ ಗಿಡ ಚೆಲುವ ಮಾವಿನ ಗಿಡ ಚೆಲುವ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಕ್ಯಾಗ ಗಿಣಿ ಚೆಲುವ, ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಕ್ಯಾಗ ಗಿಣಿ ಚೆಲುವ ಮ್ಯಾಲಿನ ಚಿಕ್ಯಾಗ ಚೆಲುವ ಚಂದ್ರಾಮ. ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾನ್ಸಾ. I hope ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. It's basically they are describing the mother nature, prakriti. We'll come to the next one. ತಾಯಿಲ್ದ ತವರಿಗೆ, ತವರು ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ತವರು, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ತವರು ಅಂದರೆ ತವರು ಇಸ್ ಅ mom's place. Usually in the old tradition what happens is when the girl gets married, she has to go to the husband house, and for the girl the mom's place is called as a tavaru mane. Okay, so here what's the tavaru mane meaning? So taayillada tavarige, when the mother is not there, when the mother, if it mother is passed away, then for the tavaru mane, if you go to the tavaru mane, hogadiru, don't go to your tavaru mane, your mom's place, when your mom is not there. ನನ್ನ ಮನವೇ ನೀರಿಲ್ದ ಕೆರೆಗಿ ಕರಬಂದು. So this is how it will be if you go to the place where the mom is not there. How it will be? It is just like you will go to the lake where the water is not there, because that's how the mother will care for us. She will love us. If you go to the place where the mother is not there, there is no one will care about you. So that's how the people, they are describing about the mom, the love of a mom, the significance of the mom. Okay. ತಿರುಗಾಗ ಆಗ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ದುಃಖಗಳ, you will feel very sad if you go to that place, if you go to the place where the mom is not there. ಇದು third stanza. ತಾಯಿಲ್ದ ತವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗದಿರು ನನ್ನ ಮನವೇ ನೀರಿಲ್ದ ಕೆರೆಗಿ ಕರಬಂದು, ನೀರಿಲ್ದ ಕೆರೆಗಿ ಕರಬಂದು ತಿರುಗಾಗ ಆಗ ನೋಡಿದರ ದುಃಖಗಳ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ fourth one. ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತವ್ರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತವ್ರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂದರೆ, ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲು ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ರೇಡಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೇಡಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೇಡಲ್. ತವ್ರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. ತವ್ರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಅಂದರೆ ತವರು, ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ತವರು, ವೇರ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಗರ್ಲ್ ತವರು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಾಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಬಣ್ಣ, ತವ್ರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ, ದ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಮಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಮ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್. So her mom and dad. So that is called Taur Banna. She is wearing a sari. She is holding a cradle. Appa kottemme hodkondu. Appa has given a buffalo. All these are village concerned, the lifestyle, their lifestyle. So it may not happen nowadays, but it used to happen in earlier days. So that lady, she is also carrying the buffalo, which is given by her father. Tangyavva, they are calling her as a younger sister. ತಿಟ್ಟೆತ್ತಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಯಾಳ, ತಿಟ್ಟೆತ್ತಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಯಾಳ. She is looking back again. The thing here is the girl has come to her mom's place because she was carrying, andre she was about she had a baby, so she came to her mom's place to take care of the baby and herself, and she has to go back again to her husband's place. And while going back, she's carrying a baby, she's carrying the cradle that is given by mom and dad, she's wearing a sari and she's carrying a buffalo, and she's going back. And she while turned back, that is a happiness and also sadness that she's leaving her mom and dad back. Adu meaning of the fifth one. ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತವ್ರ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆಮ್ಮೆ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆಮ್ಮೆ ಒಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಂಗ್ಯವ್ವ ತಿಟ್ಟತ್ತಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಯಾಳ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ನನ್ನಯ್ಯನಂತೋರು 12 ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಓಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಅಯ್ಯನಂತೋರು 12 ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಲೈಕ್ ಮೈ ಸನ್, ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 12 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಹೊನ್ನೆಯ ಮರದ ನೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಹೊನ್ನೆ ಮರ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಶೇಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಹೊನ್ನೆ ಮರ ಶೇಡ್ ಆಡುವಾಗ, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಜಪವ ಮರೆತಾನು. ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಸನ್ಯಾ, ದಿ ಸೇಂಟ್. ಹಿ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್. When the children play, it is so wonderful to watch the children playing. So that's the beautiful of when the children will play. So in that case, even the saint will forget to meditate. So this is describing the playing of a children. So it can make a miracle, the children playing. So that is the meaning of a last stanza. We'll read it. ನನ್ನಯ್ಯನಂತೋರು 12 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೊನ್ನೆಯ ಮರದ ನೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೊನ್ನೆಯ ಮರದ ನೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡುವಾಗ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಜಪವ ಮರೆತಾನು. ಇದು ಹೊನ್ನೆಯ ಮರದ ನೆರಳು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ a brief explanation. If your teacher is explaining in a very brief, a very detailed way, you can even listen to that. That is also right. Even this is also right. Just because that it has a less information, or just because your teacher is giving a less information, it doesn't mean that they are telling wrong or I am telling wrong. So this poem can be described in n number of ways. It can be given a more details also. I have given a less detail, a minimum detail, a basic detail actually. ಸೊ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಟು yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.comಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ದ 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ playlist for the remaining lessons. So thank you so much, and remember that I won't be doing the question answer and exercises of any of the lesson. Please do it on your own anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is being there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is being mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.